So in this quick video, I simply want to show you how to do a force restart on your iPhone 16. This is in case your screen is frozen or black or any sorts of problems. So let me show you. Let's say you have an issue, you want to force restart. First, you're gonna press once on the volume up, then once on volume down, and then keep the power button pressed until you see the Apple logo appearing on the screen. So you need to do this seconds. So you need to press these buttons quite quickly, okay? If you take your time to press volume up, then your time to press volume down, it won't work. You need to do it quickly. Okay, the Apple logo is there. I can release the power button and the iPhone 16 will restart. It will take about, let's say 25 seconds, 20 until you can use it again. At this point, you don't need to press any buttons, just wait and it will come back alive. Here we go. It's searching for the network, everything, and you're already ready to use. So this is a quick trick, and if you want to turn off your iPhone, you just have to drag down like this, and now you have a power button on the top right corner that you need to keep press, and you're gonna have the slide to power off. You can power off your iPhone this way. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.